Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Jay and Anna. A lot of people can understand English, but still feel nervous while speaking. Maybe you feel that way too. So today, we are simply going to practice real English together. Slowly, naturally, and without pressure. You do not need difficult grammar today. You only need to keep listening and keep speaking. Alright, let's begin. Imagine it is early morning. You wake up and look at your phone. Maybe you still feel a little sleepy. Maybe you slowly get out of bed and start your day. Now try thinking about your own morning in English. I woke up early today. I brushed my teeth and drank coffee. I checked my phone before breakfast. Very good. Most real English conversations are actually simple. Native speakers use small everyday sentences all the time. I am tired today. I need more coffee. Today feels busy. Simple English is still real English. Now think about your day so far. What did you do today? Maybe you went to work. Maybe you studied for school or college. Maybe you stayed home and rested. Try describing your day using simple English. Excellent. Many learners stay silent because they are afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker once spoke slowly too. Sometimes I forget words. Sometimes I stop and think before speaking. And that is completely normal. Now let's practice speaking about food. What did you eat today? I ate rice and vegetables today. I drank coffee in the morning. Tonight I want something delicious to eat. Very nice. Now let's practice thinking in English. Do not translate every sentence in your mind. Instead, try thinking directly in English. I feel relaxed right now. I want to improve my English. I am happy I practiced today. Now try creating your own sentence. Wonderful. English becomes easier when it becomes part of your daily life. You do not always need long study sessions. Even 15 minutes every day can create real improvement. Now imagine you're talking to a friend in English. Hey, how was your day? My day was busy but good. I worked a lot today. Now I just want to relax. Try speaking naturally like this. A lot of learners try to sound advanced too quickly. But confident English usually sounds calm and simple. I understand you. That sounds great. I totally agree. I think so too. These small sentences are extremely useful in real conversations. Now let's practice speaking about feelings. How are you feeling today? I feel calm today. I feel a little tired. But I feel motivated to improve. Now try describing your feelings in English. Excellent work. Confidence grows slowly. Not in one day. Not in 1 week. It grows every time you practice. Now imagine your future for a moment. Imagine speaking English naturally without fear. Imagine understanding movies and conversations easily. Imagine traveling and confidently talking to people. That future is possible. And it starts with small daily practice like this. Now let's practice some simple, powerful sentences together. I can improve my English. I am becoming more confident. Mistakes help me learn. I enjoy practicing English. I can speak slowly and clearly. Amazing job. Now look around your room for a moment. Maybe you can see a chair. Maybe you can see your phone. Maybe you can see a cup of coffee or a window. Try describing the things around you in English. Very good. This is how English slowly becomes natural. Little by little, sentence by sentence. Many people want to improve English. But very few people practice consistently. You are building a powerful habit right now. And small habits can completely change your future. I am proud of myself. I am learning every day. I believe in my progress. Every small step matters. Wonderful job today. You practiced English today. You spent time improving yourself. And that is something meaningful. Thank you so much for practicing English with Jay and Anna today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss our new English videos. Keep practicing every day. Keep speaking slowly and confidently. And I will see you again in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.